Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at Arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday forecast update and the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Not a great one for us as they have expanded the moderate risk, so pretty much all of our counties and parishes now in that moderate risk, which is a level 4 threat, and that means widespread severe weather likely, and we are going to see the chance of some long-lived and also intense thunderstorms, and this will mainly be after sunset tonight as a cold front moves in this evening, and through the overnight hours we will likely see the chance for several tornadoes as well, and initially we could see some of these storms capable of producing some large hail, and eventually late tonight into tomorrow morning we could see the potential to see some flooding. So just about everything will be on the table here. We will start out quiet. You see there's just a few rain showers out there to start out your Friday, and the rain will stay light through the morning and majority of the afternoon, and there's a wide view of the region as we do have again that area of low pressure which is going to scoot in and bring that severe weather threat a little bit later today. You can see the big dip in the jet stream. So what's been happening the last 2 days here, we've been pulling in a lot of Pacific, a lot of Gulf moisture. Our temperatures today will likely be in the mid-70s, so we have the warm air available to us, we have the moisture available to us, and we just need a trigger to make the rain and thunderstorms develop, and what that is going to be is this dip in the jet stream as that makes its way in. Some very fast winds aloft will create a lot of uplift in the atmosphere, and that is what is going to trigger that line of thunderstorms along a cold front a little bit later today. So here's the latest look. Your Robinson Futurecast just shows some light rainfall through the day. Don't see much as far as any storms forming ahead of the main cold front. Again, those are the ones that typically, if we saw that this afternoon, those are the ones that can typically produce some long-lived tornadoes and some intense tornadoes, and a lot of forecast models have backed off on developing those discrete thunderstorms, but it is still a possibility. So after the noon hour today, everybody kind of needs to be on high alert for the potential for severe weather, so make sure you have a number of ways to get weather warnings, whether you have the alerts on your phone activated, whether it's our arklatex app, whether it's through the television, the radio. Just make sure you're able to get warnings, and you can see once we get past sunset tonight, that main cold front begins to take shape and move into likely northeast Texas and Oklahoma sometime after 6 p.m. Showing the line of storms in Texarkana about 10-11, so that would put it about 11 to midnight, maybe 1 a.m. in Shreveport. And again, along the leading edge of this line, we will see the potential for some extremely high wind gusts. So we're talking the potential here for some hurricane force winds, which would be again over around 75 to 80 miles per hour. So that is a possibility for us, and likely within the line here we will see some spin up tornadoes as well. So the weather pattern going to be keeping us busy tonight, and you can see the severe weather likely making its way out early tomorrow morning. Some lingering rain for your Saturday, and Futurecast continues to hint at the potential. We could see a changeover if we see that lingering rain, perhaps into some winter weather, whether it's sleet or some snowflakes, but no accumulations expected. But it does show just the strength of this front, and drier air will take over late tomorrow, so we'll have the sunshine back for your Sunday. Latest look at the rainfall potential. Again, a lot of 2 to 4 inch amounts across the northern Arklatex. We still do have the flash flood watch that will go into effect this afternoon and continue through tomorrow night as we go through tonight, as we are expecting some 3 to 5 inch accumulations will be possible in those locations. So poor drainage areas, some of the roadways that typically take on flooding issues, that could be an issue for us late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Temperature wise today, we're starting out in the low to mid 60s, and it will be just kind of a warm and humid afternoon. South wind will be ripping about 15 to 20 miles per hour, and that's pulling all that warm air into the region. So our highs today in the low to mid 70s, and 7-day forecast, really not a pretty one. We do have a decent Sunday lined up for you, but once we move into next week, some rain will move in south of I-20 on Monday, and a little better chance of some area-wide showers and storms Tuesday, Wednesday. Watching Wednesday, it looks like we do have some of the ingredients for some strong to severe storms as well through the middle of next week.